The official death toll from the coronavirus meanwhile has topped 2 lakh worldwide with over 2.9 million confirmed infections according to a tally by Johns Hopkins University. In India, the number of COVID-19 cases have crossed 27,000 mark while 872 people have died. As many as 36 new COVID-19 positive cases have been reported in Rajasthan, which have taken the total number of positive cases in the state to 2,221. Amid indications towards a graded exit from the ongoing coronavirus lockdown, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a crucial meeting with chief ministers today on the way ahead. In the last interaction on April 11 with Prime Minister Modi, many chief ministers had recommended extension of the 21-day lockdown by 2 weeks. The Prime Minister office tweeted that PM Modi will interact with chief ministers via video conferencing at 10 a.m. They will be discussing aspects relating to the COVID-19 situation, the PMO tweeted. In a major reshuffle in top bureaucracy of the Narendra Modi government, senior IAS officers A.K. Sharma and Tarun Bajaj were on Sunday moved out of the Prime Minister's office. Bajaj, a 1988 batch Haryana cadre officer, has been appointed as Secretary Economic Affairs in the Ministry of Finance and will take over upon superannuation of incumbent Atanu Chakraborty on April 30. He is presently posted as Additional Secretary in PMO, said a Ministry of Personnel order. Sharma, a 1988 batch IAS of Gujarat cadre and also an additional secretary in the PMO, has been appointed Secretary Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and will take over upon superannuation of the present incumbent Arun Kumar Panda on April 30. The decision was taken on Sunday by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Senior Congress leader and Ahmedabad corporator Badruddin Sheikh succumbed to the novel coronavirus on Sunday. Badruddin Sheikh was admitted to the SVP hospital in Ahmedabad, Gujarat 8 days ago. The Congress leader's condition deteriorated after he tested positive for COVID-19. After battling the infection for almost 8 days, Badruddin Sheikh succumbed to it. Congress leader Shakti Singh Gohil and several other top Congress leaders of Gujarat condoled the death of Badruddin Sheikh. Britain on Sunday reported its lowest daily rise in coronavirus deaths in nearly 4 weeks as officials confirmed Prime Minister Boris Johnson has returned to Downing Street after recovering from the coronavirus. The number of people who have died rose by 413 to 20,732, officials said on Sunday, the lowest reported daily increase in April. The last time the health department recorded a smaller increase was on March 31 when 381 deaths were registered. The latest figures were published just hours before Johnson returned.